today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make tons of money just by copy and pasting content for TikTok. And I'm gonna show you how to do this without having to create any single piece of content. You don't need to record it, you don't need to show your face, you literally just have to copy and paste. And all of the platforms I'm gonna show you in this video is completely 100% free. So make sure you watch until the end of the video so you don't lose this opportunity. In fact, every single second of this video is bringing you closer to a full-time income and even quitting your 9-to-5 job. I have laid out the strategies in a very simple steps that you can follow. And before I hop in my computer, I have one favor, and that is to smash the like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, because I'll be posting 3 videos every week showing you guys new methods on how to earn money online. This keeps me motivated to create awesome content like this for you guys. So I'm here on TikTok, and like I just mentioned, anyone can do this anywhere in the world. If you're a teenager or if you work 9-to-5 job, you can do this. You only need about 15 to 20 minutes every day into this. As you can see here, this page is called the Wealth Vlog. It's a motivation and inspirational page, and it got 1.6 million followers. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see they get tons and tons of views for each video. Like this one has 30,000, 70,000, 68,000, 28,000. So that's a lot of views. This two here, this one has almost 1 million views. This one has 200k views. So as you can see, all of the videos get a lot of views, and the secret for this is staying consistent. Once you're consistent, TikTok will start pushing all your videos. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create this type of content without having to do anything. Literally just copying and pasting. I'll show you exactly where you can get this type of videos here. So let's take a look really quick so you can understand how this type of content works. So let's click on the first one here. So daily reminder, be weird, be random, be who you are, because you never know who's going to love the person you hide. It's very simple, very basic. They also put a background song here that I muted for this video, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this and how you're gonna drive thousands and thousands of people into your website, to your links. So guys, I'm gonna show you another example. This page is called Motivational Hype, and they basically put together a lot of luxury videos and also put motivational quotes on it. And as you can see, this page gets a lot of views as well. This page has a little less followers than the last one, so this one is 53,000 followers. And as you can see, they are getting some good views on it on every video, like this one, 142k. And also if we click here on any video as well, we can see they are posting videos daily, like see on the 19, 18. So they are posting basically almost 2 videos every day, and this is the key. They are making money. The owner of this page is making a lot of money. If he was not making money, he wouldn't post videos, 2 videos every single day. Let's go back here to the bio, and if we go here, we can see partners link. So let's click on the link. So as we can see here is a type of affiliate product. If we look here on the link, we can see it, affiliate ID. So this is the affiliate ID of the page. So they are making money with this type of affiliate links. They are creating this short form content here, and what are they doing? They are sending people to the links, to their affiliate links, and this is how they are making tons and tons and tons of money every single day on autopilot. So it's pure passive income. And now I'm gonna show you step by step on how you can do the same thing. So the first step, let's head over to Pinterest, and here is the first way that you can look for the motivational quotes. So if you type here on Pinterest motivational quotes for success, or motivational quotes for money, or anything related to wealth, money, inspiration, if you type that, you can see it's gonna show up a lot of quotes, like this one, focus on your goal, consistency is more important than perfection. So if you scroll down, you can see there are a lot and lots of this. And another way to find these quotes, you can come to Google, and on Google you just type motivational quotes, and here you can see already gonna have 200 motivational quotes. We have here 400 motivational quotes, and if we click on it, just on this website here, you have 400 quotes that you can use for your videos. And I'll leave all the links here on the description of every page that I'm clicking right now. So right now, let's choose one quote for this video. So let me choose one really quick. So I have chosen a quote right now. So go the extra mile, is never crowded there, from Dr. Wayne. So for right now, you can just leave your page open, or you can save your quote on Google Docs. This is where I usually save my stuff. For now, let's just save it, this quote here. And now for the second part, I'm gonna show you where to get those videos. So now you wanna head over to Pixabay, and here on Pixabay, we're gonna write, let's say mountains landscape. So right here. And remember, this website here and the other one are totally free. You don't even have to create an account to download the videos here. So right now, you just come to this section here, and you're gonna put videos, and you can see it already pops up a lot of videos here. So we have like the forest, snowy forest, we have a lake, so there are a lot of videos that you can use here. And if you don't find here anything that you like, I'm gonna show you another website that you can do the same thing. So the next website you're gonna be heading over is Paxos. This one as well is totally free. So if you're right here on the top, mountains landscape, you just gotta come later and click here on videos, and then you can add filters. On filters here you can put vertical, and by putting on vertical, it's already gonna be made for the TikTok sizing videos. So here if you come, we can choose anything. So I like this one a lot here, like the stars turning into day. So this is actually perfect. It's an 8-second video, so you just click on free download and it's already downloading. So it's this easy. Now that you have the motivational quotes and the video, we're gonna head over to the third step, and that is going to Canva. So Canva is totally free as well. You don't need to worry about, so you can just create your account really quick, and then you're gonna be able to use all the resources that you need. So here on Canva, what are we gonna be doing? If you see here videos, you're gonna click on this section here, and then down here you're gonna click on mobile video. And the good thing about Canva, as you can see here, they already have free templates that you can use as well. Let's click on this one here. If I wanted to use this video, it's really simple. I could just replace the text here and I can write anything that I want. But since we already have a video, I'm gonna be using the video that I just downloaded. And for this, you have to come here to uploads, and then you upload a file, and that is it. You have your video here. So let's stretch it all the way until the borders. I can stretch it. Let's play here to see. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we have our video set up. Remember that I told you to leave somewhere safe the quote. So let's go back to where I have my quote, and now I can just come here and copy this, and I go back to Canva, and now this is the part where I'm gonna add my text. So if you look here on the left side, we have text, and here on text we have two options. We can add a subheading, or you can choose from the ones that they already have here as well. They have beautiful type of letters here that you can use. But for this specific niche, the simpler the better, since it will be quotes. So it's better for you to just put a subheading here, and now you're just gonna paste the quote, and from here you can just set up. We can stretch it a little bit so you can center the text. After this, you can change the size. I can make it a little bigger or a little smaller. I'm gonna leave at 50. Also, you can make it bold. If you want, you can change the type of letter. You have a lot of options here. So just by clicking here, you can see you have lots of options that you can use. I actually think this one is good for me. Now let's make like a shadow background for the quote so we can make the text pop up more. If you come here to elements, we can use like a square or this one here. Let's see how this one's gonna be. We can take it all the way, stretch, and just set up like here and here. And now you can change the color. Since the background in the video that I have chosen it's dark already, I'm gonna choose a light background. So here you can choose the best color that works out for you. In my case, gonna be the white color. So after you have chosen the color, all we have to do is come to this, and now we choose transparency, and can take it down just a little bit. I think this one's gonna be good. After you're done this, you can just click on it, and now you're gonna put it send back. So guys, I was not satisfied on how it was looking, so I went up really quick and changed it. So I just made it all like square. I think this looks better. And now what you can do here to give it a little more effect to the video, if you select all this and you come here on top, you say animate, and here you have a lot of animations that you can use for your text. So you can choose which one you think is better. I like this one better. I think it's gonna suit the video, so I'm gonna select it, and it's gonna be on center. So after you have this, let's check how it's gonna look. So I think this looks really good. Of course, you can take more time and do it better if you want. So you have a lot of tools here that you can use. So you can just scroll around here and use whatever you think is suitable for your video. After you have everything done, now we just need to download this. So you come here on share, and now you're just gonna go and download. And for the last step, what we have to do now is to get your content monetized. And for that, we're gonna use a platform. So we're gonna send all your viewers to a platform that I'm gonna show you right now that is called ClickBank. So this here is an affiliate website that has multiple offer on hundreds of different niches, and I'm gonna log in for you guys, and I'm gonna show you what type of product that you want to be putting on your bio and also on your comment section. So this website here, you can get paid from anywhere in the world. You can use PayPal and other pay methods if PayPal is not available on your country. And once you sign up, it's really quick and easy to sign up. Once you do it, you just gotta come to the top here on marketplace, and then it's gonna take you to this page here. And once you're in this page, you're gonna see here that you have all this type of offers here. We have green products, we have cooking, home garden, and from this video we're gonna be using e-business and marketing. So we can take a quick look around here. On the sort results, you can choose to see the offers from high to low, from low to high, the average conversion, high to low. So in my case, I'll just leave it as stock, so high to low, and you're gonna see the best offers here, the best converting options as well. And we take a look here. We have a live chat jobs, we have get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This one looks like it's a really good one. We also have get paid to review apps, get paid to do simple writing jobs. So let's see this offer here that I really liked. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So let's click and see how the landing page is and how it works. So this is what you're gonna be offering. So if you see here, online social media jobs that pays $25 to $50 per hour, no experience required, work at home. And for this, just take a minute quiz. So all you have to do is to get your viewers from TikTok to this page, and they only have to start the quiz and go until the end, so you can make money. It's really easy, right? And by doing this, if we go back to ClickBank, you can see every time someone does that, you're gonna get paid $30.52. And now you want to click here on promote, and this is gonna be my nickname. This is the nickname of my account, and the tracking ID is optional, but so you don't get confused, you can write here TikTok, because we're gonna be promoting through TikTok. This is basically just to know where the leads and the sales are coming from. So you just click on here, create hop link, and you just click here down on copy. Now, as you can see here, this link is pretty long and sketchy, right? No one's gonna want to click on this. And for that, we need a landing page so we can put on our bio in our commenting. And for that, we're gonna use the link tree. So if you come here to link tree, if you don't have an account, again, it's really easy, really quick, and totally free to do it. It takes about 2 minutes. What you have to do is to add a link, and you can put the URL here and you add. And after this, you can see here, we can choose a title. So for the title, we can go back to the ClickBank and we can use the same title that is shown here on the link that is showing here on the offer. Let's copy this. After you copy, you just come back to Linktree and then you paste it. Should be done now. Okay, so see, now your link is showing up here. Let's click here to test it. Okay, so you see, when anyone goes to your landing page and click on your link, they are gonna be directed to your affiliate page. So after you have everything done, you just copy your link tree, and this is what you're gonna use on the TikTok. And TikTok here, after you upload, since you're gonna have a brand new account, what you want to be doing on every video that you upload, you can just paste your link on the comment and pin. So every video you post, you're gonna paste that link on your comment sections and you're gonna pin it. And after you have gained some followers, you're gonna be able to paste your link on your bio as well. And for the songs of the video, I recommend you using what is trending on TikTok. So every time you post a video, you can go to the TikTok music session and see what's trending, and you can use on your videos to help you get more views. And this is basically the whole strategy. And as you can see, I have created an awesome looking video just right under 10 minutes, and you can do it yourself as well every single day. And the key here, like I said at the beginning of the video, is to stay consistent. So be posting at least one video every single day. But let's do the quick math here to give you an idea of how much you can make with a brand new account creating this type of videos. Considering you're gonna have a brand new account, you're gonna be getting per video in the beginning around 3,000 views, and this is totally realistic. Let's say you get 3,000 views per video, and let's say you're gonna be posting one video every single day for 30 days. So times 30, that's gonna be 90,000 views per month. So based on statistics, 1% of your viewers will click on your link. So we can do this times 1%, 900. So let's say 900 people check out the offer, and since it's a low ticket offer, 5% of them go until the end. So now let's multiply this. So it's 35, and let's multiply this by 30. So as you can see, you can make at least $1,300 every month with a brand new account. So you can imagine how much those pages makes, the big pages makes every single day, and they use it the same strategy that I'm teaching you right now. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions.